me then. But easy come and easy go, and it would end. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me. No, anytime I see, you let me.
There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me in. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. Had no time.
So, ayun guys, andito ngayon tayo sa swimming pool ni Pare Rapi. Ayun o, tingnan po natin yung swimming pool niya. Ayan.
Close your eyes,
Ayan.
dry your
So, bago lang po
tears,
itong swimming pool.
'cause when nothing seems
Pre,
clear,
anong tawag dito sa swimming pool na to? Anong tawag sa swimming pool na to? Anong tawag sa swimming pool na to? Ha? May?
Private pool.
Private pool. Ah, private pool. Yan po. Magmamayari po yan si King. Si King yan o, si King. Mukhang malalim ata eh, malalim. Malalim, parang malulunod kayo niyan. Oh. Saan? Iba naman yan eh. Yun o. Galing po sa ano yung tubig? Sa may tubo. Yun o, yun o, yun o, yun o. Yun o. Anong title yan? Anong tugtog? Anong tugtog? Anong tugtog?
Ano? Mercury's in the
Anong corporate?
level 99.
Ah, isa ka ba dun sa ano? Mga member ng Alpha Kokak?
Hindi, ano ako eh. Paru-parodi tayo.
Paru-parodi.
Paru-parodi.
Paru-parodi. Yan.
Fly high,
Fly
butterfly.
high. Yan.
Fly high, butterfly.
Eh, itong bagor, ito member nyo rin?
Wala. Ayaw niya magpa-recruit kasi ano eh.
Ayaw niya mag-butterfly.
Ayaw niya eh.
Ba't parang umano yung ano niya, ulo? Ayan o. Nagiging panot. So yun guys, pinakita lang namin tong swimming pool ni pare namin, Pare Rapi. Dito sa saan to? Anong lugar to, pre? Pre, anong lugar to? Anong lugar to?
Mayabang daw ako, that's it. Bungangan yung puno ng tayo, puro talk shit. Kahit anong sabihin nyo, wala akong pake, cause I don't give a fuck.
A few moments later.
every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on. Far across the distance and spaces between